Welcome dear students to CSE tutorial. In this video of class 8th, you are going to learn the NCERT question answers of chapter Understanding Marginalization. First question is, write in your own words 2 or more sentences of what you understand by the word marginalization. Its answer is, marginalization means the communities which are put at the margin of economic and cultural development. These communities are devoid of any changes or advancement which other people enjoy in modern times. Second question is, list 2 reasons why Adivasis are becoming increasingly marginalized. Its answer is, changes in forest laws have deprived the Adivasis to access forest produce. Second, Adivasis are portrayed negatively as exotic, primitive and backward people and are represented through colorful costumes and headgears. Third question is, write one reason why you think the Constitution's safeguards to protect minority communities are very important. Its answer is, constitutional safeguards are important because these communities are backward and are lacking at educational, social and economic levels. Second, to give them equal status in society, these safeguards are required. Third, to protect the cultural diversity of the country. Fourth, safeguards are needed to protect minority communities against the possibility of being culturally dominated by the majority. बच्चों आप इनमें से कोई भी एक रीजन लिख सकते हो. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज, रीरीड द सेक्शन ऑन माइनॉरिटीज एंड मार्जिनलाइजेशन. व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द टर्म माइनॉरिटी? इट्स आंसर इज, द टर्म माइनॉरिटी is used to refer to the communities that are numerically small in relation to the rest of the population. The Indian Constitution provides safeguard to religious and linguistic minorities as part of its fundamental rights. It ensures that minorities are not discriminated against and that they do not face any disadvantage. Fifth question is, you are participating in a debate where you have to provide reasons to support the following statement. Muslims are a marginalized community. Using the data provided in this chapter, list 2 reasons that you would give. So its answer is, as per the data provided in this chapter, first point is, the literacy rate of the Muslim population in India is the lowest. Only 63% of them have access to electricity, while only 35.8% of Muslims have access to tap waters. Muslims are less educated. Second, they have very little share in government jobs. Sixth question is, imagine that you are watching the Republic Day parade on TV with a friend and she remarks, "Look at these tribal people. They look so exotic and they seem to be dancing all the time." List 3 things that you would tell her about the lives of Adivasis in India. Its answer is, Adivasis have a deep knowledge of forest. They were hunters and gatherers and lived like nomads. They practiced shifting agriculture and have also cultivated at a single place. Their deep knowledge of forest made them indispensable to the rulers of various empires during the pre-colonial period in India. They have their own language and have influenced the formation of various Indian languages, Bengali being one of them. Eighth question is, would you agree with the statement that economic and social marginalization are interlinked? Why? Its answer is, yes, economic and social marginalization is interlinked. First, Dalit and tribals were considered a lower caste of society. They are living in separate areas of villages tribal are living in remote areas, they were not getting a proper education, so not good jobs. Second, when they do not get opportunities, they remain economically weak and do not get an education, and this circle continues. Thanks for watching, dear students. I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to CSA tutorial for more such informative videos.